How to search for a string in a file with Ansible? I'm going to show you with some simple Ansible code. I'm Luca Burton and welcome in today's episode of Ansible Pilot. Today we are talking about Ansible module lineinfile. The full name is ansible.builtin.lineinfile, which means that is part of a collection or module built in with Ansible and shipped with it. It's a module pretty stable and out for years, and it supports a large variety of operating systems. You are able to insert, update and remove a single line of text in a file, but also search for a pattern. This module has some parameter to perform any task. The only required is path, where you specify the file system path of a file you are going to edit. Line is the line of text we would like to insert in file. Easy. By default, the text is going to be inserted in the end of a file, but you could personalize in a specific position with insert after, insert before. If there is any tool to validate the file, we could specify the validate parameter, very useful for configuration file. If the file does not exist, we could also create it. Usually, we would like to insert a text line, but we could also remove using state in conjunction with parameter absent. Let me also highlight that we could also specify some permission or CLinux property. Demo time. How to search for a string in a file. I'm going to show you how to search for a specific pattern in a file, specifically the SSH configuration file, and return the result using only Ansible built-in module. Are you excited? Let's move on. Welcome to my editor. I'm going to show you one Ansible playbook to search for a line in file. First of all, let's begin our playbook with 3- is an YAML document and a play named search demo that is going to be executed on host all of my inventory. Let me define two variables. First is my file. This is the path in the file system where we are looking for the string. So, for example, let's search inside /etc/ssh/sshd, the daemon _config. And specifically, I would like to verify that the line password authentication is set to no. Yeah, this is a great security feature. We don't want password authentication, only SSH key. And let's this file is owned by root, so we need to become to set to true to access it. Normal user can't access this. Only one task named string found, so is returning true if the string is found. And then what else? We need ansible.builtin.lineinfile Ansible module, some parameter. First is the file name, my file. Second will be the line, so we are checking that the my line exists inside of file, and state is present. Okay, now look like that we want to insert this line inside the file, but wait a second, let's specify check _mode, so we disable any change to the file. Yes. Exactly, and we save the result inside the conf variable. Let's define some failure condition. So this code is going to fail if the code is not present or the code is different. So let's set these two conditions with conf is changed or conf is failed. In this way, if the file is does not exist or the line is different, this task is going to fail, and it's going to success or return OK if the string is successfully found. Can you see? In a few lines of code, we are able to successfully check a string inside a file, and this is so powerful. Now, let's move into the terminal to see the code in execution. Welcome to my terminal. First of all, let me connect to my demo machine using SSH DevOps as username at demoexample.com. This is a simple Linux machine just freshly installed, so let me switch to root user and verify that password authentication no string is present inside etc ssh sshd_config. And yes, it is. As you can see, the regular expression is present. So now let me disconnect and execute my Ansible Playbook. So the code could be executed using Ansible-playbook command. Let me specify -e for the inventory file as well as the playbook name under file management file search YML. The execution is going to be super fast, and we get OK status, which means that the string was successfully found inside the file. Yes, great result. Now let's complicate a little bit the environment. What happens if password authentication is set to no? So let's find out. Let me connect to the demo machine, SSH DevOps at demoexample.com. Let me switch to root, and this time let me edit the file with vi etc ssh sshd. So let me jump in a search to the password authentication line and let me change from no to yes. Okay, now let me save a file with esc and :wq. Okay, now the grep command of password authentication over /etc/ssh/sshd_config return yes. So what the Ansible code will return? So let's find out. There is only one way. Disconnect from the machine and execute again the code. Ansible-playbook-e my inventory and the playbook name. File management file search. The execution again will be super fast, and this time we got a fatal error, which means that the text wasn't found in the file. Don't get wrong by the message line added wasn't added because we are in check mode. So, and we have another case. Maybe the file isn't present on the target machine. How we can simulate? Well, we could move the file to a different path. So let me connect to the target machine, switch to root, and this time enter in the directory and rename sshd_config to sshd_config.old. So now the file doesn't exist anymore. Is moved to old. Let me be more explicit. If I list the expected path /etc/ssh/sshd_config, I got no such file or directory. So what Ansible is going to return? There is only one way to find it out. Let's execute the code again. Another super fast execution. We got return code 257 and clear message. Destination does not exist. Fatal error, which means the text is not present in the configuration file. Yay! Great success, Ansible. Thank you! Now you know how to search for a string in a file with Ansible. and how you could use successfully in your Ansible Playbook code. Thank you for watching. I hope this lesson was useful for you, and we can see again in another Ansible pilot adventure. Have a great day. See ya! This video is part of our Ansible automation program. Sign up today on www.ansiblepilot.com for uninterrupted exclusive video and so much fun.